Dr. Anthony Fauci weighed in on the spread of COVID-19 among children in school. Thanks for joining us, everyone. For Western Mass News at 10 on Fox 6, I'm Chris Pisano.
And I'm Jordan Jaglinzer. Dr. Fauci said more cases are being traced from the field than in the classroom. Western Mass News reporter Lindsay Kane joins us live in Springfield with more. Lindsay?
Chris and Jordan, Governor Charlie Baker already addressing Fauci's comments, saying we're not seeing those trends here in Massachusetts. I spoke to a local Little League representative who says they've yet to see a COVID case.
We played a lot of games and luckily, knock wood, had no cases that we know of.
On Tuesday, Dr. Anthony Fauci warning about the spread of COVID-19 in children who participate in youth sports. He says, in part, we're finding out that it's the team sports where kids are getting together, obviously many without masks, that are driving it rather than in the classroom spread. Governor Charlie Baker responding shortly after, saying that is data Massachusetts health officials aren't seeing right now.
If we see significant issues and problems with some of this stuff, we deal with it. The flip side of that is, I have to say, we've made it through a fall sports season and a winter sports season with people playing by the rules and doing what they were supposed to do. And for the most part, case counts were pretty low.
The Longmeadow Little League program has played games over the summer and fall and is now back on the field for their spring season. They have yet to see a COVID case reported within the league. Board Director Stephen Schiffman tells Western Mass News they have over 400 kids for this spring,
which is actually an increase over registration from last spring.
He says he was surprised to hear youth sports are in question by top health officials.
It kind of goes against everything that they're saying. If, the cases would be less if you were outdoors in fresh air, as opposed to being 6 feet apart in a school. And
Schiffman says it's important for the kids to continue to play.
Parents want their kids out there doing something, and the kids want to be, believe it or not, away from their computer screens, even though that's hard to fathom, I know, for, especially 11 and 12-year-old boys. But they've had enough of being home.
The league tells us they've been following the state's safety protocols, such as wearing masks, social distancing, and limiting spectators when necessary. Live in Springfield, Lindsay Kane, Western Mass News.